here, and it's the only riverine port. And we have a navigational channel of 230 kilometers from Sandheads, from Bay of Bengal. There is a navigational channel by which vessels generally comes to this Khidirpur dock and Netaji Subhash dock. There are two dock systems. One is Khidirpur dock and another one is Netaji Subhash dock. Now we are in Netaji Subhash dock. Aste back karo. Actually, this dock system is specialized for handling of containers, and Khidirpur dock is specialized for break bulk handling and dry bulk handling. Dry bulk means iron ore, coal in bulk, gypsum, magnesite, iron ore, just like that, alumina, and this there are almost 8 berths is there. We are working from 1 NSD to 8 NSD berth. This one is berth number 8 NSD. Now there is no vessel over here. One vessel will be arriving today. That means Kota Rukun is there. একটু আস্তে করো। मोबाइल हार्बर ट्रेन कंटेनर हैंडलिंग इसी से होता है. That one is spreader of to pick up the container. This is 20-foot container. That MSC container is 40-foot size container. All are fitted with twist lock over there. Pockets are there, and that spreader's 4 corner of the spreader is fitted with twist lock. It will be automatically operated by that cabin. Driver's cabin is there. Will operate. Will stack the container, keep the spreader on top of the container, lock it, and lift it to the vessel's hatch or vice versa.
Yes.
And the capacity of this crane is 45 ton.
45 metric ton.
Safe working load. This is river crane made it from German made crane. And this is not a fixed crane. This is mobile harbor crane, means if a vessel is placed before the gate, that means work, there are so many hatches are there in front to the stern side. There are bay number 1, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that.
Okay.
As like a train's compartment.
Yes.
Slot is also there. Fix the crane in proper one bay, upload and unload on that vessel.
The process of loading and unloading is going on.
After completion of loading on that particular bay, this crane will be shifted to another bay and continue his work.
Okay.
This is the process. That area is garden shipbuilders. Only never silk was being built over here. Never silk without tayar hota. Garden shipbuilders and engineers. These are the containers meant for export bound containers. Generally we keep export bound containers nearest to the wharf for smooth feeding to the vessel.
Yes.
And import container.
It can save time also.
Yes, it can save time. And import bound container we keep that area for subsequent delivery or removal to the respective CFS.
Okay.
There are 7 CFS in our Kolkata territory.
And is there any warehouse for stuffing also?
Yeah, not here. Actually, previously we have a container freight station, but we actually dismantle it because there are some manpower issue, machines issue. We have to.
So if we want to send LCL cargo, so
yes,
is there any?
You can remove it to the any CFS, respective CFS, and disturb there.
Okay.
Don't worry, nothing. We have 7 CFS over in our vicinity within the dock. 3 of them are government, Central Warehousing Corporation, Mamalari CFS and Concord CFS. And private CFS are there, Century CFS, Transvaal CFS, All Cargo CFS and Phoenix CFS.
These all CFS is nearby located in the
Nearby. All are extended arm.
Yes.
of Kolkata port.
Yes.
Actually, this is a transit area. We cannot keep container a long period of time.
Yes. I
After
know.
discharging, it has to be removed. That's why we have a free period only 3 days.
Okay.
We only give them a facility to keep the container for 3 days.
And after 3 days?
Demurrage will automatically be stopped.
Okay. Yes.
For rail bowl container, we are giving them some relaxation.
Okay.
For 20 days relaxation.
Okay.
Being a city-based port, we are, and CO2, to eliminate CO2 emission, we are encouraging to move out containers through rail mode.
Okay.
Because I am working over here from 2004.
It's been a long time.
Actually, I was recruited as a hockey player over here. After having my player life
Okay.
up to 2005, then our superiors advised me to sit for the officers category.
Okay.
I have been chosen.
That's great.
These are all break bulk cargo loaded in FL type container, flat rack container.
This is a flat rack container. I told you, na guys.
Yes. This is a flat
Look
rack
at this flat rack container.
container. And this is oversized cargo. If the container is being loaded onto the vessel, another slot is already here. It occupies another slot.
Okay.
Weight of the vessel's weight is higher than normal container. This is a normal box. Say this box freight is $400. This will be much more higher than this.
How much it will cost? Approx 2 or 3 times.
Not less. How many slots he is actually occupying? That's
And
Okay.
this is also a flat rack container.
yeah, that is also a factor. This berth is actually a floating berth,
Okay.
hollow jetty. This one is a hollow jetty. And we are going to strengthening that jetty. We handed it over to the civil department on 11th July. They are strengthening it in such a manner so that we can deploy RMQC also, rail mounted crane. Then productivity will be higher.
Yes.
Now at the moment only geared vessel can work over there. That like 2 NSD cantilever crane is there. Beside the one vessel is there working only with her own ship's crane. Ship's crane's capacity is much lesser than this one.
This one. Okay.
It can handle 38 container per hour,
Okay.
40 container per hour.
This one.
This one. This one.
40 per hour.
48 container per hour.
Maximum threshold. In general 20 container per hour it can handle easily. And that ship's cranes actually there is a manual intervention, lever is involved, container keep on board. After that one ladder is putting on their lever, climb on top of the container, fix the spreader, all manual system.
And it will take time also.
Yeah, it will take time also. It is dangerous also.
Yes, it is dangerous.
Okay, we'll,
Sure.
where is the bar?
Fearless.